My name is Brian Kessler, and I'm going to show you how to use an FTP site. Okay, so first thing we're going to need is an FTP client. FileZilla, which is the name of a very popular, very good FTP client. There are many others out there you can choose from. They all work more or less the same way. Okay, so eventually you've installed the program, you open your FTP client. They all work more or less the same way. You need to have somewhere you're going to send or receive files from. You need to know where that place is. In this instance, we're going to go to FreeHosta, where I have the ability to set up a free hosted website. We hit connect. Essentially, you've got two sides of the screen. Here's your local side. This is what's on your computer. This is the remote side. That's what's on the server you've just connected to. And we can just take a file or take a folder, and we can just copy it, drag it over to here. And now the files that are on your computer are quickly moving over to the other side. This is kind of a larger folder I took, so it will take a little bit of time, depending on the size of your folder or the files. In about 40 seconds, it'll finish transferring. It shows you the progress. Very useful. I can grab this file, bread.gif. I can move it into this folder here. That's a nice small file, moves very quickly. Okay, and now this file would be at the server. If it's for web hosting service, it's now available through your website. And of course, you can then download things back. So, for example, we want this, let's say this bread file isn't from our computer, it's from somewhere else. We want it on our computer. We can take it from remote. We can drag it to local. And now we've got it on our local computer. And if this is a FTP site that you often visit, you'll want to go to Bookmarks, add bookmark, my Flukes site, whatever you like. Okay, and now here it is, my Flukes site. And so you won't have to re-enter the host name, the username, and the password and the port. It's all saved for you.